Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare is a 772 licensed bed facility. We serve a large region in the North Florida Panhandle, as well as South Alabama, South Georgia. We have to be progressive and be cutting edge. Our physicians demand that. Our patients, they deserve that. High quality imaging is crucial to our services here. We have to have the proper equipment to diagnose our patients.
And when we're evaluating a new system, and we said to ourselves, what are the things we want to change? What is important? So to come to a decision and to make sure that we had gained consensus, we brought our technologists to a site visit with Fujifilm, which helped us validate the user interface. We knew what was important for the radiologists, and we conducted a blind image review, and that was really when we were able to see the image quality that was coming off of the Fujifilm systems, and we really kind of started to understand, okay, we have really good image quality here, perfectly good radiation doses to the patient, and we have buy-in from our staff that will be the operators using this equipment. We were able to transition our entire staff of nearly 40 technologists onto a new system that they had never used before. We have the capability on all of our systems to image different parts of the body. So there really is no limitation from an imaging standpoint to our patients. They should not have to leave our community for any of their imaging needs.
When we first engaged with Fujifilm, we said that reliability of that scanner must be on point, because it's going to get used, and it does. And we see a tremendous amount of patients through that scanner, and it had met every need that we had. We now have Scenaria Views that are all consistent across the institution.
Fujifilm has been a great partner in collaborating with us to understand where we want to go and how they potentially could support advancing technology to align with our needs. It was really important for us to be able to accommodate the needs of our stroke program. Fujifilm helped us design and develop the technology that we needed to image the brain sufficiently enough for us to make diagnosis related to our stroke care.
Image quality has been much better than what we've had in the past. The scanner has allowed us to pretty much cut our scan time in half. We're much more efficient. We can get more patients done in an hour. That helps with our overall volume. Right now, our average CT table time for any of our procedures is about 8 seconds.
Our machine has definitely improved our workflow here because the way our protocol list pulls up, the functionality and the software of the machine sets you up for success. I could do multiple exams on one patient very easily.
Being able to provide these advanced cardiac services to the community is really important. We work directly with Fuji, helping create the cardio still shot motion correction. That has really allowed us to scan more variety of patients. So patients that have a little bit higher of a heart rate, we can still capture quality images, and then those patients can avoid going to the cath lab or having other studies done. We offer calcium scoring and the cardiac CTAs. One of my favorite things about the scanner in general is the side table shift. So more specifically, working with those cardiac CTs, we can iso-center directly to the heart. We're able to use a smaller bow tie filter, get better detail, get better quality images.
There is an 80 centimeter diameter in the gantry, which is really helpful with a lot of our older and larger patients. They're not feeling as enclosed. They don't feel as tight and strapped down because it is so quick.
In our emergency department, our utilization is almost at 100%. Our scanner in our ER 24 hours a day is just absolutely busy from start to finish.
We are a level 2 trauma center. Routinely, we get back-to-back traumas, and that scanner can handle it. It can handle one trauma with 5 exams, and we can get that done within 10 minutes, very quick with contrast. So we're able to help that patient clean the machine, move on to our next trauma almost immediately.
Having Fujifilm apps and services available to us has been a complete game changer. Apps are always available 24/7. Our service has cut down our downtime tremendously. With our Fujifilm scanners, we have a 99% uptime.
The support that we get from Fujifilm has been absolutely amazing. That's one of the things that I think sets them apart from the other OEMs, is that they're really customer focused.
And our goal is to make sure that we care for our community and keep patients within our community. And we have been extremely happy with the products and the continued advancement of Fujifilm to support our needs here.